Today in class, you're responsible for completing the ATOD 1.2 assignment. There is no content page for this. It is just an assignment, and I'm going to go over the instructions of this assignment so that it can be recorded in the instructions. The 1.2 assignment, I'm sorry, I said it backwards, is talking about it's basically, of course, talking about when someone becomes involved in drugs, how it affects the people around them. So I have this bubble. You have the user, who of course is in the middle, and then you have a parent, a community, society, and a friend on the outside. So using the chart below, discuss the role of family, community, and cultural norms in deciding to use alcohol, tobacco, and other drugs. So in other words, how do each of these stakeholders, like your family, your friends, your community, and today's culture, influence a person in using drugs? So like you could spin this like making the user, of course, would be influenced by people like their parents, their friends, their community, and their society. So if you want to spin it as in choosing not to do any of those forms of drugs, so like how a parent could be a positive influence to keep the person drug-free, alcohol-free, tobacco-free, or like I said, then unfortunately you can go to, like, people can be influenced by our friends, peer pressure, and you may be led to using drugs because of people that you surround yourself, like your friends or your people in your community, because you're surrounding yourself with people that do those things. Or, like I said, flip side, you can surround yourself by people that don't do those things, and you are going to be influenced to not do those things. So you're going to talk about each one of them individually, so you must write at least 3 sentences for each one. So basically just give me 3 sentences about how a parent influences a user, a community, a friend, and society. And that's all you have to do for this assignment. Of course, if you have any further questions, please let me know.